Well, last week, this thing came out. It's called AutoGPT, which is the rise of AI agents. So with ChatGPT, you can put in your own prompts. But with AutoGPT, what you can do is it will create the prompts for you. It will actually build you a task list, and then it will execute against it. It's like having the Avengers in your pocket that will just do stuff for you. It's incredible. I'll give you an example of this. It's relevant. I put into this thing called Agent GPT, which is basically a UI for AutoGPT. I put in, hey, I need to physically move a rocket ship from Los Angeles to Carlsbad. How would I do this? Create me the plan. So the agent just creates all these different tasks, and now it's executing against it. Got me the quotes for all the different companies that would be able to do this. Now, it's not perfect. An AI agent doing work for you. Throughout my entire life, I heard this line, that knowledge is power. That knowledge is power. Well, today, knowledge is a commodity. And I believe that boldness is power. The individuals and the organizations that are able to push against the status quo, that are able to take risks, to experiment, to be unique, to be differentiated. This is power.